Welcome to the Real Maxi Pets Channel.
Greetings everyone! Get ready, summer's almost here, and we hope you are ready for a pleasant summer vacation with the whole family. And to diversify your family leisure time, we will tell you today a fascinating, informative story about the longest-lived animals in the world. Okay, here we go. The first is the Hydra. This is a group of small invertebrate animals with a soft body, which slightly resemble jellyfish. They are named after the mythical creature Hydra, whose body resembles them. These animals are composed of stem cells that are constantly regenerated by duplication or cloning, suggesting that they are potentially immortal. Hydras live mostly in freshwater bodies and are quite small, and they only reach up to 0.4 inches in size. Next is the giant barrel sponge. These predominantly marine invertebrates live for over 2,000 years. The giant barrel sponge is the largest species of sponge and can reach up to 6 feet in diameter. And these creatures live in the Caribbean at depths ranging from 30 to 390 feet. They are an important member of the reef community. They filter large volumes of water, which has a great impact on the cleanliness of the underwater environment. Number 3 in our ranking is the Bowhead Whale, which inhabits Arctic and subarctic waters and is considered the longest-lived mammal, living for over 200 years. They are some of the largest whales, with adults reaching lengths of up to 60 feet and weighing up to 100 tons. Bowhead whales have the thickest blubber of any whale species and a distinctive bow-shaped head, which they use to pierce sea ice. Fourth, koi fish, which usually live about 35 years, but some individuals can live to be over 200 years old. These fish are a domesticated ornamental variety of the common carp. Native to East Asia, this species of fish has been bred for centuries to achieve that beautiful, unusual coloration and pattern. In Asian culture, these animals are considered sacred symbols of luck, good fortune, and prosperity. There is also an interesting fact that a famous koi fish in Japan named Honako lived to be 226 years old. Next is the Rougheye Rockfish. These are deep-sea fish from the North Pacific Ocean. This is one of the longest-lived species of fish. Individuals can live up to 200 years. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Next is number 6, Red Sea Urchin. These are echinoderms that live on the Pacific coast of North America, from Alaska to Baja California. They have a reddish-brown shell covered with long, sharp spines that provide protection from predators. These spines can move on their own, helping the urchin navigate and interact with its environment. Red sea urchins live on rocky reefs and in kelp beds where they feed on algae and seaweed. These animals are also known for their longevity, often living for around 200 years. 7 is the Galapagos Tortoise. They are among the largest turtles in the world. These reptiles are also known for their slow movements and long lifespan. On average, they live about 100 years, but some individuals in the wild live up to 200 years. And if turtles live under human care, their lifespan can be even longer. Galapagos tortoises can weigh up to 900 pounds and can be over 4 feet long. Their sheer size helps them store more water and fat, allowing them to survive for long periods without food or water. The box turtle is also considered one of the longest-lived animals. They are small-sized land tortoises native to North America. They get their name because of their hinged shell, which allows them to close completely for protection. Box turtles can live long lives, often reaching 50 years, and as pets under the careful care of humans, can live for over 100 years. The next long-lived reptile is the saltwater crocodile. In the wild, these predators can live up to 70 years, with individuals living up to 100 years. This animal is the largest living reptile. Males can grow up to 20 feet in length and weigh over 2,200 pounds. They are highly adaptable in a variety of water bodies, from rivers to oceans. Specialized glands allow them to regulate salt levels and survive in salty waters. Please leave a comment this video. Number 10 in our ranking is another reptile, the Tuatara. It is endemic to New Zealand and is often referred to as a living fossil because it is the only surviving animal that lived around 200 million years ago, back in the time of the dinosaurs. Wow! The Tuatara lives for about 100 years. 11 is the American lobster. These crustaceans are native to the Atlantic coast of North America. They are known for their strong claws, which they use for hunting, defense, and building burrows by raking sand. American lobsters are among the longest-lived crustaceans, with some individuals living for over 100 years. Their longevity is due to their ability to constantly grow and regenerate body parts, as well as their relatively slow metabolism. Next is the cockatoo. There are 21 species of different parrots belonging to this genus of birds. The cockatoo family has a predominantly Australian distribution, from the Philippines to New Guinea, from the Solomon Islands to Australia. These birds are notable for their wit, sociability, and social behavior. On average, cockatoos live up to 50 years in the wild, but in the comfort of human care, they can live up to 70 to 80 years. However, there is an interesting fact that a famous gray-crested cockatoo named Cocky Bennett lived in captivity for about 100 years. Another of the longest-lived birds is the albatross. A Laysan albatross, named Wisdom, which lives on Midway Island, is the oldest known wild bird in the world. Wow! As of 2025, an albatross Wisdom was about 75 years old. According to recent reports, this bird is alive and well. Albatrosses are large seabirds that live in the Southern Ocean and the North Pacific Ocean. They are also considered one of the largest flying birds, with wingspans up to 12 feet and body lengths up to 3.5 feet. Number 14 is the European eel, which has one of the most complex life cycles of any fish. In the wild, they typically live an average of 15 to 20 years, but in some cases can live up to 85 years. Their longevity is due in part to their ability to enter a state of torpor during adverse conditions, slowing their metabolism and conserving energy. And finally, number 15 in our ranking of the longest-lived animals is the elephant. These giant animals can live up to 70 years in the wild and in human care can live up to 80 years. Their longevity is primarily due to their heart rate, which at rest in an elephant is usually 25 to 35 beats per minute. This is much lower than in humans, whose resting heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Elephants are also the largest land animals on Earth. Adult African elephants can weigh up to 14,000 pounds, while Asian elephants are slightly smaller, weighing up to 11,000 pounds. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. These animals are also known for their high intelligence and excellent memory, having a large brain compared to their body size. So, today we told you about the longest living animals on our planet. We hope you enjoyed our video. We wish you a great summer vacation with the whole family. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Real Maxi Pets Channel. Like and share.